Hello everyone, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Let's begin our today's topic. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for new notifications. Class 7, let us start Chapter 7, Introduction to Python, Part 2. In our previous session, we have gone through how Python got its name. This is a programming language which is very easy to learn. Today, we will learn some more application and how to use Python. Let's start. Working in Python shell. There are two ways to use Python shell: interactive mode and scripting mode. Now, what is interactive mode? In this mode, command is executed and the output is shown immediately. As soon as you write the input, you get the output. In the further session, I will be showing how it's exactly happening. Command cannot be saved for future reference, and only one command is used once at a time. You cannot use multiple commands while working in the interactive mode. So, one question can be arise in your mind, why we are using the interactive mode then? This will help to understand the command line by line. If there is error in particular line, it will be revealed at that time. Means the testing of the error is easy in interactive mode. Now, coming to script mode. In this mode, command can be reused and group of commands can be executed. This is done by saving the file in Python. How to save the Python file? File name .py. Everyone please see. Okay. You can see over here file name .py. This is the way to save the Python file. F5 is a shortcut key to run the Python program when you are working on a script mode. And interactive mode, how can you run the program? Just press the enter key. So now I will show you how everything is done. Fine, let's see this. Everyone see here, this is what I'm showing you, a Python shell. Fine. So interactive mode. Now click on print. Let's say I print hello. Fine. Press enter. See the output. Now if I write print welcome to computer class. Welcome to computer class. Fine. This is what string I am writing. Output you can see. Anything. Only the print statement you have to give. But can you see? Every time I need to give the print statement. 2 plus 6. Suppose you write this. Output is 8. Can you see all these things? But every time you need to give the print statement. Fine. Now, I want to write the code in script mode. How to get the script mode? Go to file, click on new file. So this way you got the script mode, and here run option is also there. File. So let's see. Let's write and see. Print. Again, I'm giving the print command only. Print hello class 7. Fine. Okay, now save. Control S, write the file name cls7.py. Clear till this? Save it. Now let's run this. Click on run module. See here the output, hello class 7. Where after clicking on run module, you can see the output in this shell only. Output will be shown over here. I hope till these things are clear. So this is interactive mode I have shown you and script mode I have shown you. Now we have seen how to write a program in script mode and how to execute it. Before executing, you will save the file with your any file name .py and you can press F5 or the run module as you have just seen how I am doing on a Python shell. This is the Python version 2.7 I have installed. Okay, you can install according to the compatibility of your system. Now coming to the character set. Following are the character sets included in Python. A to Z, small a z. You know, Python is a case sensitive language. So it will have different meaning of capital A or small a. If you write that P, print statement we are giving, print command we are giving, if you write that P in capital, it will show an error. Digits 0 to 9, all special symbols and blank spaces. These all are Python character set. Now coming to data types and variables. What is data type? Type of data stored in a variable. Okay. It could be any integer. I will be coming to that. But before that, variable which varies are the fixed name location stored in computer memory used to store some values. Variable word, from the word you understand the thing, which varies. Its values can be changed. So user give that value. Fine. Basic data types in Python. There are basically two types of data in Python. Numeric data type, string data type. In numeric, integers are there, float, decimal or fractions, and the complex numbers. And the string data type, single and multi-line strings are there. When I will be doing the program, I will make you understand what the string is, right? Here also, just before this, I have shown you a code where I am writing hello in double quotes, right? So that is the string. In Python, with the print command, if you write something in double quote, it's considered as a string and it will print the result as it is. I hope till these things are clear. Just do the revision and do write the code in your notebook. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.